Hello, the peeps, and welcome to another power-packed Phillips podcast. Just a couple of reminders. You have no homework tonight. You can rest and relax. Yippee, skippy. Also remember, you have no 10-question EOC review packet this week. And remember that you have no EOC quiz this week from the district. Mr. Phillips will keep an eye out for the week 5 scores. Get it? LOL, I crack myself up. Please write in your homework/note spiral that today's lesson is on 4.7. We're going to talk about linear functions. If you guys would, please make a note in your homework spiral and copy this down. If you see something stalling while I zoom, there we go. If you see something like this, f of x is how I read it, f touching the x, f of x equals mx plus b. We call that function notation. Function notation. And if you would, please write this down, that the symbol f of x, is another name for y. It's another name for y. So, for those of you who are up on your Transformers, Robots in Disguise, I'm going to tell you that f of x is a transformer, Robots in Disguise, because f of x is really y. Tough concept. You'll find that today's podcast is really difficult. It's like as hard as it was for the Cubs to lose 101 games this year. So f of x is another name for y. It's a transformer. It's a y in disguise. All right, if you would, please write in your spiral f of x equals 3x minus 15. And then please make yourself a note. X is going to be equal to negative 3 in this problem. F of x equals 3x minus 15. X is going to be equal to negative 3 in this problem. What are we going to do? We're going to substitute negative 3 in for x. You're going to substitute negative 3 in for x. So I am going to place a negative 3 right here. They were touching each other, so that's going to be multiplication. So now I have 3 times negative 3. I'm going to do PEMDAS, order of operations. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. When I do 3 times negative 3, that's going to give me negative 9. I'm going to copy down the rest of my problem. A negative 9 and a negative 15. You're really adding those. I know, this will work for you. Jay Cutler got sacked 9 times, then he got sacked 15 times. 9 plus 15 is going to give me 24. Since Jay Cutler got sacked 24 times, Mr. Phillips is in a negative mood. There's your answer for that problem. Easy pleasy, right? Yeah, I told you it would be. All right, second and last example for today. If you would, please write down in your spiral, f of x equals 2x minus 10. We know in this problem that f of x equals 6. So please write down f of x equals 2x minus 10. And we know that f of x equals 6. Remember, when we have problems like this, Transformers, Robots in Disguise. Really, what they're telling you in this problem is f of x is a transformer because he is y in disguise. F of x is a transformer. He's y in disguise. F of x is a transformer. He's y in disguise. All right, I get it. Be quiet. Jeez, calm down. You act like the Bears lost or something. I'm going to substitute 6 in for y, or I'm going to substitute 6 in for f of x. So now I have 6, I substituted in that for y or f of x equals 2x minus 10. Hearts and stars, they get you far in Mr. Phillips's class, but they get you nowhere in the real world. I'm going to get my stars together. I'm going to add 10 to both sides of my equation. These will cancel. Bada bing, bada boom. 6 and 10 is going to give me 16. Bring down my 2x. Divide both sides by 2. These will cancel. Bada bing, bada boom. 16 divided by 2 is 8. There you go. Thanks for watching. See ya. Wouldn't wanna be ya.